Balthazar, 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 Balthazar.
In Professor Balthazar's town lived Sylvester the tailor. No question about it, he was a genius among tailors. Clients came from all over the world. Sylvester won numerous international prizes. For example, for the funniest suit in the world, for the longest jacket, for the tiniest suit in the world, and for the suit with the greatest number of pockets, made for Adalbert, the famous magician. Sylvester's clothes had a marvelous effect. From Monday through Friday, he sewed diligently. Interrupting his work only for lunch, which was excellently prepared by his sister Vivian. And on Saturdays, he made new dresses for Vivian, which always made her very happy. And so they lived contentedly. Until one morning, Vivian woke up with terrible hiccups, which simply wouldn't stop. Even Sylvester's suits looked hiccupy. Dr. Theobald wrote out a prescription. Vivian had to sing 3 times a day for 2 hours. That stopped the hiccups all right, but new troubles began. Her voice was so strong and destructive that all the citizens were up in arms. Vivian agreed to sing behind closed windows. That is, just above Sylvester's head. Tactfully, he persuaded her to try to sing on television. Then they tried their luck with making records, but her voice was simply too shrill. There seemed to be no solution. Bad times began for Sylvester. His suits, once the pride of the town, became a general laughingstock. Professor Balthazar, who came to call, felt sorry for him and decided to help. He began to think. But this time his thinking got stuck, because he hadn't had his customary fresh egg for breakfast. There was no egg the next morning either. Balthazar could no longer think at all. He discovered that the train which delivered eggs to the city had failed to arrive 2 days in a row. And pretty soon he found out why. He rushed to his lab to start up his famous inventing machine. The clever professor helped both Bernard, the railroad engineer, and Vivian. She found an ideal place for her singing. While Sylvester's business once again began to flourish, because the blissful silence of his studio was no longer disturbed even by the tiniest sound.
Balthazar, Balthazar, Balthazar.